Well, good morning. I think that the audio is on. I have been going through literally like a mental battle. You see, I said liquidity, but this was on Thursday of last week, and then they blew them out today or yesterday. Listen. I don't have the energy. Price just feels like I feel like this whole week it feels choppy, even though there's economic data. It just feels like it's choppy. It's a weird week for me. And so far back, and still respecting it. Interestingly enough, see, this rally is just gorgeous. But it was after lunch, 11. If you just bought this and rallied all the way up, beautiful. I mean, we all knew price was gonna go up. We just didn't know when. Now this feels a little choppy. I'm in the trade and I feel like I'm choosing things as to why my trade won't work right now in my head. And I want to cancel this. Well, hello. It's been some time because I have been going through literally like a mental battle. It's been a hard week. It's my first week fully back in the church. Monday is Chop City because there's no economic data and I still trade because I think I'm all that in a bag of chips. I don't do well. Tuesday, also Chop City. I still trade in my bed because I'm like, I could just mark my chart in my bed, no big deal. Mistake number 500. It's Chop City. Wednesday, there's finally some economic data to move price, but I'm extremely impatient, even though I know there's going to be a huge drop. I missed the drop. I have less drawdown available because of the 2 choppy days. And my stop losses are literally like $2. So, or two, like 8 ticks or 2 points. And it's like, I just kept being stopped out, even though I knew what it was about to do. My execution was an issue, which has always been an issue for me, even since last August or July. So here I am today, Thursday. There's economic data today, but I have a list of things that I am to do and not do today, okay? Because I need to get my life together. And, this week I was like, am I really supposed to be doing this? But I am going to do this. I'm going to figure this out, okay? I have to figure this out. And I will figure it out. I'm confident that I will. But I need to take inventory of the mistakes that I made so that I can do better tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that. So, according to my little list, I'm going to update the charts. That's my first requirement. Oh, Lordy. Let's do the 15-minute. I'm gonna erase this. I don't know what these blue lines are. You see, I said liquidity, but this was on Thursday of last week, and then they blew them out today or yesterday. Listen. I don't have the energy. Today is Thursday. Okay, so I'm like making sense of the new daily opening gaps that I need. Let me look at the calendar. I need the 5th or the 6th, which is the open and close for the 5th. So I need the 6th to today. So I need last Thursday's, Friday. So let's go to the 5th. So this is Tuesday. This is for Wednesday's trading. I'm going to get rid of this because these have a life cycle of 5 days. And this is Wednesday's open. Wednesday's closed, so Thursday's open. And that's for Thursday, the 5th. Okay, and then we have Friday. Alright. This is closing Friday's open, which is good for Fridays. I don't know if we need this one, actually. Let's just make this less purple, right? But it's still there. And let's make this less purple, but I don't know if we need that because that's going to be the 6th day. Like, you know what I mean? Okay, so we have Friday, and then we need Friday's closed and Monday's open is the new weekly opening gap. Let's see what that is. The new weekly opening gap. Wait, we definitely don't need the new daily opening gap for the 30th. Just see the source. What view is this? Okay, new weekly opening gap. We don't need this. And then we don't need. The price is still here. Let's just see what it's doing. New daily opening gap for Friday, August 30th. Are you guys sure? Yeah. It's still respecting it. Interestingly enough. It's so far back. Let's just make this light purple as well. New daily opening gap. Tues. September 10th, 2024. This is purple, purple, purple. Okay. And this coordinate is 18,722.75. That was the close. And then new daily gap. Oh, we have to text it. I mean, we have to change the high and the low. So we open at 727. Yeah, this is the ninth girly. Papa says it at the bottom too. You're just not looking at it. Listen, I'm half awake. I'm defrosting still, okay? 9, 10th, and now we do the 11th. So now we need Thursday. I'm gonna remove this fair value gap because I just added those on my phone. Irresponsibly. Where's Thursday? See, this rally is just gorgeous. But it was after, it was kind of after lunch. 11, if you just bought this and rallied all the way up, beautiful. I mean, we all knew price was going to go up. We just didn't know when. So the open, I don't know why this is taking me forever to understand, but the close for yesterday and the open for yesterday is for today's trading. So it's for the new daily opening gap for today. Je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas. So now that we have all of that updated, let's refresh the charts for a 15-minute. See if there is any beautiful inefficiencies. Let's add a 7 a.m. marker on my view. Okay. Oh, not 7:15. 7. Okay, let's go to a 5-minute just to see what's going on there. It's a lot of consolidation overnight, huh? We have PPI and unemployment claims today. Doesn't really seem like any strong movement in either direction, but it does seem like there's gonna be some buy-side liquidity over here. Let's mark it very lightly. This is high, 19,242.75. Now let's make this a 1. Let's make this a dash. Let's make this a blue. Let's 5-minute buy side liquidity. Let's make this blue. Not bold. Or maybe bold. Okay. This is high. 19,339.50. What's this? High of 32.25. Let's see if it retraces again and then bounces back up. It is currently 7:50 Eastern. I think that it's going to, let's see where price is in relation to all of these clusters. It was such a huge rally yesterday. Price actually might go down. It's gone up the way that I thought it was going to go up earlier in the week, and at this point, a lot of the clusters that are beneath price might go down. It's at a huge, I don't know if it's premium, but it's a really high value right now. Let's just look at the daily for fun. Let's see if this high goes above this 310. Also, there's going to be news at 8:30, so we want to be mindful of if we're in a trade. But I want it to go down to the new daily opening gap from that Friday. What's this low? 259. So 259.75, 262.50. About 3 points or 12 ticks. I think I need 15 ticks. Let's go to a 1 minute, see what that looks like. After this, I would put in an entry right here. Okay, so it didn't go above 310. What was this high? 303.75. Let's just add. Well, that's a 5 minute, or oh yeah, that's a 5 minute buy side liquidity. Let's add. What's this high? 303.75. Say 5 minute buy side liquidity. I think it's gonna go up and then go down. Like, it's gonna run all of these things and then it's going to probably go down. That's what I think. That's my trade idea. So I want to wait until it goes low. Will it go this low again? I think it will. Let's watch and see what it does at 19,260. How long did it take to go down? This is, oh my gosh, these are 5 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. Okay, well, in 35 minutes, it'll be 8:30, and I definitely do not want to be in a trade, so let's see what that looks like. And this, because after 7 a.m., it could be trying to run these lows, but there's more than 2 lows. These are like, get a 5 minutes, see what that looks like. I mean, nah, looks a little messy. I could go short. 15 ticks. 5 times 15. Oh. 5 times 15, 75. What's this alone? 259.75. 62 to 59 is 3 times 4 is 12. But yesterday, I mean, was I doing 15 or 10? I don't remember. I want to go short from 19,300 because I have a feeling that it's going to go down here and then rally back up. But let's see, if this goes higher than 303, then that's an issue. Let's look at the 15-second. See, if I was going to go short from 300, that makes me feel better. What is happening? It's 8 o'clock. Is there anything that comes out 8 o'clock? I thought it was 8:30. It's 8:30, so what is this? Well, I should buy if I think it's gonna hit all of those buy sides, but I don't know if it will. Let's look at 5 minute again. Is that in the same candle? No, it's a different candle. That's interesting. This is high. Yeah, 625. It might go to the new daily opening gap and then go low. But if you look at the price from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m., I mean, it was higher, so it could be trying to go back into that, but I don't know. And I have to enter trade as if I'm like choosing a boyfriend, which I'm very picky, so. Oh, see, I want to be a part of it. Should I go short, friends? I'm gonna go short from 300. Stop loss of 75. I move my stop loss to 294 if it closes under that on a 1 minute. Okay. Right here. If it closes under that on a 1 minute. Oh, Jesus. Now this feels a little choppy. There's a lot of momentum downwards. It feels like it's consolidating, but if it closes under 294, that is when I will move my stop loss. At 293. I'm in that trade and I feel like I'm choosing things as to why my trade won't work right now in my head. And I want to cancel this. Mm. Mm. Yep, I had a feeling that was going to happen. Okay, that's okay. I don't understand. This is high. If I think it's going to run the buy side liquidity, then I need to just wait. It can't be part of the move down and part of the move up. Price just feels like, I feel like this whole week it feels choppy, even though there's economic data, it just feels like it's choppy. It's a weird week for me. There's a little fair value gap over here. Jesus, see, this is what's annoying, because I feel like I sold at 300. If I see that thing tumble now, I don't know. That would make me mad. Like, how am I supposed to... Well, I guess it's... Price can go either way, and I need to be really confident about my reason for why I think it's going to go one way or the other. And as of right now, I'm making like solid, not guesses, but I guess guesses. But I also think that there's so much buy side liquidity, but I just feel like the entry for that was not in the time that I got on the charts. So